Hi, in this video, we will understand how to correctly install Simulink support for Android devices. In order to install Simulink support for Android devices, we have to select Add-on and Get Hardware Support Packages. This Add-on Explorer automatically will open, and we have to select Simulink support package for Android devices. Click this and click install. The MATLAB automatically download. We have to accept the license, and MATLAB automatically download the necessary software for this package. We have to wait that the downloading is completed. After that, all the packages have been downloaded. It will start to install the support package. Okay, we are close to the end. Okay, when we have completed the installation, we can start to set up. Click on this button, set up now. Okay, this window appears. We can decide to use the tested version or the latest version. I suggest use the tested version. The tested version is suggested to download the Android Studio release 4.2.2, the SDK platform 30, and NDK version 22.1717167.0. As a consequence, I choose tested version and I click next, continue. Okay, click here for downloading the tested version of Android Studio. This is the window that in the website of Android Studio. We have to agree to the terms and select the Android Studio version that is recommended, the 4.2.2. We have 3 installers. Each installer is for a particular operating system. My operating system is a Windows operating system. As a consequence, I download this. Okay, I have previously downloaded this installer. As a consequence, for me, it's not necessary to download it again. As a consequence, whenever you completed to download this installer, you can start to install it, and we will install it double clicking on the installer. The user account control pop-up window appears. You have to select yes, and then the installation process automatically starts. Okay, next, select all, next, select the folder. I have chosen this folder. This is for creating shortcut. If you don't want to create shortcuts, click on this checkbox. Install. Okay, we have to wait that this installation process ends correctly. It's completed successfully. Next. Okay, we can start Android Studio. Finish. Okay. Okay. This is Android Studio. Go back to MATLAB, hardware setup. We can verify the installation. Verification successful. Click next to continue. We can continue. Next. Okay. Now must be sure that we have installed the suggested SDK. In order to do so, click on Android Studio Tools SDK Manager. Okay. And then I recommend to select Android 11, that is the API level 30. If it is not selected, click on this checkbox. And then select the SDK Tools tab, show package details, and then verify that you have installed this release 22.1.717167. If this is not present, click on this checkbox and then click to apply in order to download and install these SDK build tools and SDK platform NDK. Okay, in this case, everything is correctly, it was previously installed, and as a consequence, we can verify the hardware setup. If everything is okay, verification successful. Click next to continue. We don't need to install ARM computer library for our purpose. We don't need to select this checkbox, and we can click next to continue. Next. Okay, now you must enable your Android device. You must enable the developer option on your Android device. In order to do so, you have to select the settings and then systems, and then about device and build number. And you have to tap 7 times build number. When you have completed this operation, on the screen, a message will be displayed. This message is developer mode has been enabled. When you have completed this task, you can click to next, and then you can select, you have to select settings, system, developer options, and in developer options menu, you must select USB debugging. Okay, because the USB debugging must be enabled. After that you have completed this operation, you can click next. Okay, next. And you must install the USB driver from your Android device. You must select the installer that is that can be applied, that is suitable for your device. If you have a Samsung device, you have to click this, a Google device, this, a different device, this. You can find a link where you can find the appropriate driver for your device. I have installed the appropriate Android device on this computer, and I can click next to continue. When you connect the Android device to your personal computer, a window like this one appears. Agree to the allow USB debugging, and you must click on this checkbox, always allow from this computer, and click OK. Click next to continue with this operation, and you should find your device in the list. Okay. Now I will connect my device, and I try to do this. Okay. Okay, when you click next, you have enabled this USB debugging and installed the USB driver. A window like this one appears when you connect your Android device to the personal computer. And I want to show this to you. Okay. This is the screen of my Android device. And that window has appeared. Now it has been disconnected. Okay. Okay, I don't know why, but it's not working. Okay, we have allow and click OK. And now, if we continue, click next, your device should appear there. No, it's not happening. Refresh, refresh. Okay, now device is here. Click next. And then now must be sure that your Android device is on the same Wi-Fi network of your personal computer. If yes, you can click next to continue. And we can build and install a test application. This application now is built by the Simulink. And when it is built, you can automatically it will run. Okay, the app is built, and now it runs the app. Okay, as you can see on my Android device display, this is the test app that is generated from Simulink. Okay, this test app does not perform any operation, but it's only for verifying that everything is okay. After that is okay, we can verify the test connection, the installation. Okay, and as a consequence, we have completed the configuration. And we can click to finish. I hope that this video is clear. Now you know how you have to install your Simulink support package for Android device. Goodbye.